We're not going to say you again. Then act like an adult and keep walking.
Joel here with Bodycam Breakdown TV. Today's footage comes from Code 3 Bodycam. If you want to watch the original video without my commentary or breakdown, I'll have the full footage linked below so you can watch it start to finish. If you enjoy these types of videos, smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. In this breakdown, officers respond at Reagan National Airport after a passenger's airline booking is canceled, following concerns about her behavior. What starts as an issue at the airport soon brings officers directly into the situation. The breakdown starts now.
Ready, ma'am. Hey, how you doing?
Hi. So I was...
Okay. So, yeah, what happened?
No, yeah. I will tell you before they tell you.
Yep, that's what I'm talking to you for.
I've been delayed for however many hours.
Okay.
What I'm doing, here is 2 passports to 2 countries.
Okay.
Because I have traveled.
Okay. So where are you flying to?
I'm going to Ocala. So here's my New Zealand passport. Here's my Canadian passport.
Okay.
Here's my New Zealand driver license.
Ma'am, don't you think that gate right there in the middle, people can trip over you?
And so you don't know how to walk around me?
Yeah, but what happens?
So you're telling me everyone's...
At this point, the issue isn't whether she's been allowed to lie down at other airports. The officer is focused on where she's positioned right now and whether she's obstructing people moving through the gate area. Her response challenges that concern rather than addressing what the officer is asking her to change.
No, sorry. Is that what you're saying? Because people can't watch me walk around them? So I can lay right here, like this.
She been denied boarding?
Yeah, she's been denied boarding. She's kind of just displaying.
How you doing, ma'am? I'm Officer Martinez.
I am not drunk. I have gotten gastric sleep. I can't legally. I can't get drunk.
Well, where were you drinking
Right
at?
here.
Just hanging out there. We're just hanging out.
Right over there.
3 cash?
1 drink.
1 drink? Did you have
So you
any
can-
drink before you came?
No, 1 drink.
Okay. She was
But
denied boarding?
anyways.
Okay.
It's even
So-
look right here. Yeah. I literally am smarter than every fucking person here.
Okay, so look.
Laying here.
I got it. So let me explain something to
It's
you.
a safety risk. If there are people here,
It's not
no.
even that. Listen.
The thing is they came to me. If I lay here, watch. You want to watch me? Watch.
I understand.
Watch. Pretend me right here. Watch.
So that's what you were doing, just laying there?
Laying here. And then that one comes up to me. You're not allowed to sit here. And I've never been in trouble. You're sitting
So-
on like that.
Ma'am, let's listen.
Listen, we don't want to do that. So they denied you boarding. At this point, we have to escort you to the non-secure
That's
side.
fine.
If you can show me that
That's
you can
fine.
walk straight and take care of yourself, you can
Grab your items.
Hey, ma'am.
Grab your items.
Ma'am.
The focus has now shifted from the original complaint to what happens next at the airport. The officer is explaining that they need to escort her from this area, while giving her an opportunity to demonstrate that she can remain composed and follow their direction.
You're being disorderly right now. I'm not going to tell you.
There you go.
I'm literally sitting here.
Ma'am, I'm not going to tell you to pick up your stuff, walk with us to the non-secure side. If not, you're going to go into custody, and I do not want to do that.
Are we?
If you can get your stuff together.
Well, I mean, I've been able to get my stuff together for a while, but...
Well, show me you can get your stuff together.
I'm intoxicated, and...
Well, at this point, it's disorderly.
Disorderly.
No, well, that's just me being
Come on, man.
shitty.
Let's go pick up your items. Let's take a walk.
Come on, man. We can walk and talk.
You or they will be paying for my flight.
I don't work for the airline, so I can't speak exactly.
I don't care if you're not. You don't work for the airline. Lay me on the goddamn floor.
I don't need to
Please,
see,
from
but I'm going to
everyone.
need you to stop cursing and stop being loud because there's children present.
Just so you know it. I'm going to call my boyfriend.
That's fine, but we're going to have to...
You gotta pick up your bags, keep walking.
I'm going to call him before we go.
Ma'am,
Ma'am?
you can call him while we're walking.
Yeah,
but
I am.
you need
Right
to pick
here.
up your stuff. And we're not going to tell you
Treating me
again.
like I'm...
Then act like an adult and keep walking.
At this point, the officers have spent several minutes trying to get her to cooperate with the escort, and you can hear their patience beginning to wear thin. Their directions are becoming more direct as they continue trying to get her to leave the area voluntarily.
Treat me like
Okay,
an
you know
adult.
what?
No. Put it on my back.
Put your hands back.
Take her backpack off.
Do you think you can... Michael?
Control 14, cut 15.
Michael, they are arresting stupid. You know what? The thing is, I could break out of this.
Let's put her on the ground. Just go
They're
forward.
home down if you're not there for them. Because they're and they can't do it. Because I was confused. You're all fucking. I guess you gotta have something to do.
Let us double lock your cuffs so they don't get tight. And we're gonna stand you up.
Yeah, and guess what? I will help you get up because I'm not resisting.
You got a 14 bar out there?
Yeah, it's on 26.
The incident ended with the passenger being taken into custody following a physical confrontation with officers. According to the available case information, she was later charged with felony offenses related to the incident. What stands out here is how much time officers spent trying to gain cooperation before the encounter became physical, but those efforts were unsuccessful. What are your thoughts on how the officers handled this situation? Let me know in the comments below. That's it for this video. How do you think the officer handled the situation? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoy these types of breakdowns, hit that like button, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next breakdown.